In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 2686, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that failing to fulfill the important duty of commanding good and forbidding evil can be understood with the example of a boat with two levels full of people. The people on the lower level keep disturbing the people on the upper level whenever they desire to access water. So they decide to drill a hole in the lower level so that they can access water directly. If the people on the upper level fail to stop them, they will all surely drown. It is important for Muslims to never give up commanding good and forbidding evil, according to Islamic knowledge, in a gentle way. A Muslim should never believe that as long as they obey Allah, the exalted, other misguided people will not be able to affect them in a negative way. A good apple will eventually get affected when placed with rotten apples. Similarly, the Muslim who fails to command others to do good will eventually be affected by their negative behavior, whether it is subtle or apparent. Even if the wider society has become heedless, one should never give up advising their dependents, such as their family, as not only will their negative behavior affect them more, but this is also a duty on all Muslims, according to a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 2928. Even if a Muslim is ignored by others, they should discharge their duty by persistently advising them in a gentle way, which is supported by strong evidence and knowledge. Commanding good and forbidding evil, while ignorant and with bad manners, will only push people further away from the truth and right guidance, which in turn will affect the whole community negatively. Only when one commands good and forbids evil correctly, will they be protected from the negative effects of society and pardoned on the Day of Judgment. Chapter 7 Al-Araf, verse 164.
And when a community among them said, "Why do you advise or warn a people whom Allah is about to destroy or to punish with a severe punishment?" They, the advisers, said, "To be absolved before your Lord, and perhaps they may fear him."
But if they only care about themselves and ignore the actions of others, it is feared that the negative effects of others may well lead to their eventual misguidance. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.